Susan. What are you doing? Bless you.
The hair, the hair inside what you
Yeah. As the fan goes through the chair, it vibrates and hearing it, and you go back with the song. Sometimes it's a lot of birth in the way it's